everybody, if you guys want to start web development, so you must have to download some of the extensions in the VS Code to make it ready for the web development. For web development you must have to install HTML, so just you would search here in the extensions HTML and you would just have to download this HTML boilerplate. After downloading this or installing this, you have to click the Trust Publisher and Installer and it will start installing. You guys can check here the installing started. And after this, you must have to download the CSS along with this, just because cascading style sheets is very like important for web development, so you must have to download this one, HTML CSS support. And after this you must have to download the JavaScript if you guys want to start the complete responsive web development. So JavaScript is also important, or you can just search here JS and it would give you some boilerplates of the JavaScript. Okay, so it's not giving, I have to type here Java script JavaScript. So here it would come and you must have to install the Java, this one, this extension, Java code JavaScript ES6 code snippets. And after installing this you must have to trust the publisher and etc. And after this you have to install Bootstrap, which is also important for web development. And like it's must for this. Okay, so you have to Bootstrap easy code snippet, it must be installed along with all the extensions to start web development. And at the end you must have, like, you would uh, uh, make some projects and you have to check that where my project is going, and what like output is giving. So live server is also most important for this. And for with that your all of the extensions for web development is now ready. So like you can guys can check HTML CSS JavaScript live server and along with the Bootstrap is now installed, and I can start the web development from now. And I would start web development with AI. And you guys, if you want to check that how can I make the websites without any knowledge and without like, oh, just vibe coding, so you have to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. And you guys can check all of my videos in the comment section or in the description. Thank you so much.